Ako po si Ken Galang, tumatakbo bilang second year batch representative mula sa Department of Legal Management, 1 Silid.
John Carlo Pascual of 1AEC asked, what plans can you do for your batch that allegedly was early introduced to politics, affecting unity and camaraderie thereof?
Siguro yung mga activities na kung saan through our awareness na papasok. Kasi, like, ano yung main concern, yung kumakalat yung rampant ngayon, yung apathy. So, as early as now, bilang first year students, negative yung dating. Kasi parang walang kailang, gano'n. So, magkakanda ako ng activities na kung saan papasok yung awareness, na kung saan yung mga estudyante, mga first year batchmates ko, mga incoming second year students, maaalam nila kung ano talaga yung ibig sabihin and ano yung kind na stand out for that particular thing.
Thank you.